Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lona Love, back again with another banger video. In today's video, guys, I'll be showing you this beautiful bronzy look that I did for you guys. Oh my god, I love how it turned out, from the lashes to the eyebrows to the eyeshadow. Like, what? Oh my gosh, I love the lip color, the combination that everything came with. I love how my cheekbones look so high and dewy, and like the blush, the highlight, everything just came out really, really good. If you want to see more videos like this, you have to make sure you subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure that post notification bell is on, and make sure you like this video. And then also, do me one more favor. Go ahead and put brown hearts down in the comment section so I know for a fact that you like this video and you want to see more makeup tutorials. Until next time, guys, peace and enjoy this video. Alright guys, to start off with, I'm going to start using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder in the color Banana. And I'm going to start by setting my eyebrows. And it's just mostly to get the excess oils out my hairs. When you do your eyebrows, you want to make sure they're not oily to the point where the product don't get on there. Next, I'm gonna go in with a brown pencil. This is a dark brown pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. It was 99 cents. You guys could definitely go to your local beauty supply and cop you a brown pencil. Definitely goes a long way, for sure. Make sure it's sharpened when you're outlining your eyebrows. Make sure the pencil is sharpened. You don't want no dual tip. You want a sharpened tip. Color Java. I've been using this thing since I got hip to Morphe head pomade. I'm gonna take my Morphe M158 brush, the flat side of it, and start fading in my brows. Very thin brush and start carving out my brows. Nothing fancy, nothing particular, but I'm gonna take my small mirror. Like, I have to be super close so I can see. Like, I need to be like this. So, brows, I'm gonna go in with Espresso and Fawn. Them two mixtures together, perfect shade, perfect. starting with my Morphe bronzer in the color Leader. And I'm gonna just take a nice fluffy brush, taper brush like this, and just start buffing that into my crease area. And it's gonna be used as my transitional color. This company called OUI, in the called Treasure. And I'm gonna take this charcoal color, this brown color right here, with the same brush and start buffing that in my outer corner.
And while I'm doing this, buffing this out my outer corner is literally starting to create that dramatic smoke eye at the tip, which I love when I do this look. Smoke eye love.
Another fluffy brush like this. And then I go in with Anise, this orange color, and I build it in my inner corner. And I take a good generous amount of that and just pat that in my inner corner and bring it up and over into that brown charcoal color.
And build this color up too, like, because the color that goes on top on these.
Using the same brush, I'm gonna go with Pomegranate. Now this is the color that brings out Anise good. So I'm gonna go with Pomegranate and place it right on top.
So pretty.
I'm gonna go in with Copper, which is this color right here. We'll take another fluffy brush, more like a dense fluff brush, and put that in the beginning part of my inner corner, like literally at the, almost at the tear dust area, but not quite, like a centimeter over from the tear dust area, just to bring out that pomegranate. We're literally in the front just to build that color out. Then I go in with concealer around the edge part just to clean it up. And I'm gonna take Fawn, the same one that I used before. Boom. And then start using it underneath my eyes. Nice and damp. Gotta have a damp brush. Got to. You got to. It's mandatory. Color Ebony Brown. This is like the truth, guys. You can find this at your local beauty supply or drugstore. I got this from CVS for $7. I'm just hitting that contour spot, my nose area, literally a little bit on my nose, because I promise you a little bit goes a long way. foundation. I'm gonna go in with Cocoa and the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Yo, this foundation is like the truth, guys. Like, matches my skin really well. Like, it don't overdo anything. It's full coverage and it blends out so nicely on my skin. So that part, like right here, is where we putting the foundation at. That's it. And it's time for us to set underneath our eyes. Go in the same Sacha Buttercup. And I want to make sure this is all the way blended out now. Like, now we want to get a nice amount on our damp beauty blender, and we want to make sure it's like really fine on the sponge. Dab it on our hand, the excess, and just press that in to our skin. Do the same thing on the other side. Press that into our skin like so. And press that down to the foundation part. Boom. Press it on the side of our nose. Whatever is in our hand, we ain't collecting any extra product. Whatever is left on our hand. And then we're gonna literally sponge that into our skin. And I mean, press it and blend it well into our skin. Take our bronzer powder, our Morphe in the color Leader. I'm gonna take that same contour cream brush that we use and literally get a nice generous amount on there. Tap the excess off and tap it in our contour area, which is this area right here, up to our mid forehead. A nice general amount. Excess. And the finishing powder that I use is from Black Radiance True Complexion Soft Finishing Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. Y'all, this is like my thing. Like, I have to put this, I'm almost touching pan, as y'all see, you guys see pan. This is like one of my favorite things to use after I contour, and it just brings everything in together. Like, even I'm gonna put this on top of where the setting powder is. Like, look at that. It brings everything together so flawlessly, so flawless. I'm gonna take this brown color right here and put on my brown blush. I'm gonna go with my setting mist spray and spray my face. Yes, I drench it with that setting mist spray because it like does it to me. So this color right here, I'm gonna mix these two together to get the fulfilling subtle color that I love. And just tap that to my face. And I'm gonna take this one right here. It's called Amber Gold. And Hot Sand right beside it. Mix them two together. And I'm gonna just tap, literally. I don't need a lot, just just tap it on my cheekbone area. And just tap. Now I'm gonna go in with my lashes. My fluffy lashes that I have. Those are so freaking pretty on me. Oh my god. These are so pretty. Oh, they're so freaking pretty. Like what? Alright, now I'm gonna take that same brown pencil and just outline my lips. What type of lip should I do? Should I do a nude? I'm gonna do this brown. This is Ginger Snap and NYX Butter Gloss. This used to be my shit back in the day. I haven't used this gloss in like, I don't know how long. Yeah, I understand why I used to love it back in the day. Oh, that's so freaking pretty. I'll go in with another butter gloss. This is, I don't know the name of this. Oh, Cream Brulee. And hit it in the middle. Ooh. And it's like when you overline your lip just a tad bit, you get that sensation like you always want. Like, thank God for juicy lips like mine. That's the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, comments down below if you want to see more videos like this. Until next time, guys, peace.